Hey, get away. Alex here. I'm a crew member that works on board right now. I'm almost about to go on a tour. So if you're traveling with us, with Norwegian Cruise Line, this video can be useful for you. So stick around. I'll show you around and all the details. So welcome back to my channel. This is another day in the life of our crew member, and honestly it's a good one. We've just docked with the Norwegian Star in one of my absolutely favorite ports in the southern Caribbean, Oranjestad, Aruba. It's early 2026 and the vibe here is the vibrant as ever. After approximately 5 minutes bus ride, which in your case can vary, it depends where the position of your ship here, because the pier is huge and depends where the ship gonna be docking. We have embarked on this boat, and let me tell you, if you want some tip right away, we found ourselves at the bow. I kind of recommend you to go right away and take that position so you can be at the bow of the ship, and there's also the net. You can just relax there and have a little bit of privacy there, even though the group is not that big and the boat is not that big, but it's a nice premium spot right there. Kindly recommend you to get the first. This video should diversify your options while traveling to Aruba. Probably you're going to be traveling via the cruise ship, but of course they also have the international airport here. So I want to show you this particular tour, which should help you with your research or your preparation, or maybe you're almost about to book the tour, or maybe you're hesitating to book a tour or not. Well, from my point of view, you definitely need to check it out. It was great. Also, if you're more visual person, this is how the tour looks on the map. So from Oranjestad, we went on the north along the Eagle Beach to almost very north part of the island. So the first stop was at Antilla Shipwreck, and then the next stop was in front of Boca Catalina. But now let's actually dive into the video, and I'm gonna just show you from the perspective of a crew member, the crew member that works on board for more than 14 years at the moment, the tour where I could just unwind and spend some time in a great company among the beautiful nature on the boat. Aruba, it's a part of ABC Islands here at the Caribbean, and as you understand, it can be extremely hot here. So one of the best things about this tour that it starts in the afternoon. Well, our meeting time was 3:20 p.m. on the pier. On the way, observe some water sports, in particular parasailing. I believe that's how you call it. I never try paragliding in Colombia before, but never parasail. Did you parasail before? Tell me, how is it? It looks fun, at least from the water. And then this miracle happened. During our first stop next to the shipwreck, we start seeing some sea turtles, and it was amazing. Literally, there was like several of them, and it was just unbelievable. In case you're into this kind of content, please check out the other videos from Caribbean, some water sports, water activities, and much more included in this playlist. A little bit of a general knowledge facts about Aruba. So officially it's called Country of Aruba. It's constituent island country within the Kingdom of the Netherlands, which located in the southeastern Caribbean Sea, 29 kilometers or 18 miles north of the Venezuelan peninsula of Paraguana and 80 kilometers or 50 miles northwest of Curacao, the other Dutch island. Alongside Bonaire and Curacao, Aruba forms part of an island group referred to the ABC Islands, where Aruba is A. Aruba has a dry climate with relatively warm and sunny weather persists throughout the year. It has a population of 108,000 inhabitants. Aruba is multilingual society. The official languages are Dutch and Papiamento. While Dutch is the sole language for all administration and legal matters, Papiamento is the predominant language used in Aruba. Papiamento is a Portuguese/Spanish-based Creole language spoken on Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. By the way, there was a few videos on Curacao on this channel. Kindly recommend you to check them out, especially in preparation to your visit of these Caribbean islands. The good thing for you that English and Spanish are also widely spoken on the island, their usage having grown due to tourism and immigration. And then finally the reward after all that snorkeling. The delicious food, there was a couple of options that you could choose. Also the bar was included, let me tell you, to eat on the boat among the ocean. This is something incredible. So now to summarize, if you have a chance, go to the afternoon tour. That's how you're gonna escape the heat and of course gonna experience the beautiful sunset. The overall experience around 4 hours, so it was like 1 hour ride one way, and then approximately 2 hours of snorkeling, having a dinner, enjoying the vibes of the boat, of the people around, of the great company, and some music, of course. Great emotions, unforgettable memories, and some wildlife, guaranteed. Time's up. Time to return to the ship. We're heading back to the pier. There is the Norwegian Star waiting for us. It's always a relief for a cruiser or crew member to see the big white building at the end of a long tour. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check other beautiful videos here on the channel about different outdoor and indoor activities, traveling all around the world, traveling with a cruise ship and stuff. I'll see you in the next one.